First things first, I appreciate your support. I am back with the heat pump dryer. Look at this. This is the control panel. This is everything on your washer, and it's full of lint. Imagine the condition of the motor and other parts if the control panel is in this state. Any other clogged part will cause an overheating. This affects the control panel. That's why you get most of these washers, most of these dryers don't last. Don't blame the manufacturer if you can't do the basics. Service your dryer. Look at this. Unbelievable. This is avoidable. A dryer can catch fire. Don't ignore the basics. Clean filters, call in a technician, get your dryer clean.